premium apps like enterprise security, IT service intelligence, and user behavior analytics. These are built on the top of the core Splunk platform and offer specialized capabilities. For example, enterprise security adds pre-built correlation rules, risk scoring, and compliance dashboards tailored for SOC team. ITSC helps IT operations monitor and troubleshoot service in real time. Think of this app as professional tools that enhance Splunk power for specific roles or industries. Enterprise security for SOC teams, ITSI for serving monitoring, UBA for insider threat detection. This app provides pre-built dashboards, correlation rules, and KPIs. Use case. ES helps detect brute force attacks using built-in correlation searches.